Do you remember this Illustrator file? Do you remember the story behind it? How I wanted to create a t-shirt design. It said Innovation Nation. And yes, I wanted the words inspire, engage, empower on the t-shirt as well. But I knew that Innovation Nation had to stand on its own. So I began with that. Maybe you should begin with Norse code, because some of these designs are less than optimal. And what I'm not seeing on all but a few student workstations is the evolution of your design. You lay down your idea. Then you option drag your idea and modify it. And then you option drag your idea and modify it further. And you continue that process looking for something that works. Continuing. You know, I didn't throw these things away. I left them there so I could see the thought process. And if everything went awry, I could go back and say, hey, maybe this will work. I don't know. But you continue this process, and then you find something you think you like. And then I iterated. I tried different variations on a single theme, looking for that magic sweet spot where these letters combine to form something very pleasing. And I like this, but I didn't like it enough. So I changed again and again. And then I started liking this a lot. And working through this, you can see it gets down to this point, and these are no longer text at this point. These are outlines, because you have to turn it into outlines in order to modify that A. You zoom in on this, and you can see modifying the A, removing this horizontal piece. And so, yeah, I like that. So then and only then did I drop it on the t-shirt. You know, and add Odin. It's not a big deal. He's not an integral part of this design. And yeah, the silkscreener printed my graphic too small on the front. What a bummer. But then, and only then when I got to this point, did I make this thing a desktop picture as well. I wanted to look at this. I wanted to be reminded that my job is to inspire, engage, and empower my students. So, my students, what I want you to do is begin the first thing today. Drag out a copy of your design, the one that you like the best. If you run out of room, click on the artboard tool. Enlarge the artboard so you got more room. Switch to another tool. Boom, you got more room to work. And then you can see the evolution of your design. You don't have to work vertically like I did and then moving to another column, but you should have some form of organization so you can see the evolution. That is your mission. Go back, open your project, make a copy, and begin editing it. And then read the instructions so that you don't miss out. I'll just leave it at that. Okay, that didn't take much time. You've still got plenty of time to complete this.